Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again as we have started the series of class 7th geography subject. So today we are going to start about the chapter number 6, human environment interactions. Here we will understand about the tropical and the subtropical regions. So in this part we will understand first the tropical environment and their interactions with the people and the landscape. So let's begin. So we will start from life in the Amazon basin. Okay, so before learning about the Amazon basin, let us look at this map. See, here you can see this map where here you will see the Amazon basin, which is spread over Brazil, Bolivia, then Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela. Okay, so here it is spread over all these countries. So let's understand more about that. Notice that the tropical region lies very close to the equator. Here, where is the equator? Where it shows the 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree. Okay, not Celsius, only 0 degree. So it shows between 10 degree here, 10 degree north, this one is your north, and then 10 degrees south, this will be your south. Fine. Now it is referred to as equatorial region. The river Amazon flows to this region. Notice how it flows. Yes, we have knew now that where it is flowing, and it is flowing west. Okay, it is flowing from the mountains to the west and reaches to the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Here is the Atlantic Ocean, you can see here. This one is the Atlantic Ocean, which is present in the east side. Okay, now the place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon basin. What are the tributaries? Tributaries are the small rivers which join main rivers. Okay, so they join main rivers with all its tributaries that drain an area forms a river basin, and that area will be known as river basin. Or here we are understanding about the Amazon river, so we will say here Amazon basin. So the river basin drains portions of Brazil, okay, Brazil's parts of Peru here, then Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. Now you have to tell me in the comment that name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. This one. This is your equator. So it is passes from which countries, you have to comment that. Now let's understand the climate about the Amazon basin. As you know now, the Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and it is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. It is having which type of climate? Hot and wet type of climate throughout the year. Both the day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky here. It rains almost every day, that too without much warning. The day temperatures are high and very high humidity. At night the temperature goes down but the humidity remains high. So let's understand about the rainforest. Here you can see the picture of the Amazon forest. So these as it rains heavily in this region, so we will understand that there must be more trees. So thick forest grows. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade-tolerant vegetation may grow here. For example, orchids, bromeliads grow as plant parasites. Plant parasites means these plants cannot prepare their own food. They are dependent on another trees. So now the rainforest is rich in fauna. Fauna means animals, birds. Birds such as toucans. You can see here the picture which has a big and wide beak. Toucans, hummingbirds, macaw with their brilliantly colored plumage, oversized bills for eating make them different from other birds we commonly see in India. So these birds also make loud sounds in the forests. Animals like monkeys, sloth, ant-eating tapirs, here the picture of the tapir, and are found here. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in the jungles. For example, so reptiles means crocodiles, snakes, pythons abound. Anaconda and boa constrictor are some of the species found here. Besides, the basin is home to thousands of species of insects, several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha. You must have known about this. So many movies are made on this fish. Is also found in this river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found here. So, Before moving forward, what is bromeliads? Are the special plants that store water in their leaves. Here we just have seen about the bromeliads. This is the type of plant which store the water in their leaves. Animals like frogs use these pockets of water for laying their eggs. Now we will understand about the people of the rainforest, what they are doing there for their survival. People grow most of their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest. Yes, they don't have the bare land to grow the crops. While men hunt and fish along the rivers, women take care of the crops. They mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potato. Okay, so as hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetation they grow. They practice slash and burn agriculture. What is this type of agriculture? So here they have cut down the part of the land. Okay, they will cut down the trees of some part of the land, and they will after that they will burn that, and because of that burning, whatever the burn part of the trees, they gives the nutrients to that land, and they will do the farming there. So in detail we will understand about slash and burn. Here they have given in this do you know box is a way of cultivating land where farmers clear a piece of land by slashing or cutting down trees and bushes. So these are then burnt, which releases the nutrients into soil. New crops are grown in this cleared field for a few years. After repeatedly using the patch of this land, the soil loses its nutrients, obviously. So it is abundant. They will leave that part. They will leave that part of the land. Then they will go to find out. They will go to hunt again one more land to plant. So then they clear another plot of land to plant. In the meantime, young trees grow in the old field. In this way, soil fertility is restored, but they have to plant there first. People can then return to it and start cultivating it again. So this is their cycle of using the same land. Now the rainforest provide a lot of, just a minute. Huh. The staple food is manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like potato. Okay, this is like a cassava is like a potato. They have. They also eat queen ants and egg sacs. Cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown. The rainforests provide a lot of wood for the houses. You must have heard about the cocoa is the uh, popular crop of the Africa. Now, some families live in thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment like houses called maloka with steepy slanting roof. So, life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In other older days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating the river. In 1970s, the Trans-Amazon Highway, you have to remember this one, Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for the reaching various places. So the indigenous people was pushed out from this area and forced to settle down in new area where they continue to practice their distinctive way of farming. So the development activities are leading to the gradual destruction of the biologically diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. You can see that this destruction of forest has much a wider implication, that the topsoil is washed away as the rain falls and the lush forest turns into a barren landscape because of this practice. So gradual destruction of forest, you can see that this is a originally the this is a picture of the forest. Then by means of our survival, by means of modern way of our lifestyle, we are just abandoning the trees or cutting the trees and making the place to live. So this is a type of lifestyle here they are having in Amazon basin. Okay, so this is about the Amazon basin. We will see in the second part about the next part, that is the life in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So we will continue in that in our next video. So you will see the next video on very next day. So if you like this video, like and share and subscribe my channel for more such videos, and for more other subjects. You can see so many subject videos are there, not only the geography only. Okay, so if you like this video, just again I'm telling, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.